Hey there, my name is Cori Murphy and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, which I'm sure you are because this is my first YouTube video ever, feel free to subscribe because I'm going to start uploading videos once a week every Tuesday. So it is October and this is usually the time of year that I am so excited to go shopping and start buying new sweaters and new jackets and new pairs of jeans. But this year I'm trying to be a lot more conscientious of my spending and my wastefulness. And so I thought it might be a good idea to kind of go through my closet and look at the items that I haven't worn in a few years and see if there is some way that I could repurpose them so that I would actually want to wear them again. Rather than just donating the clothes and then buying more, why don't I just take a look at what I already have and see if there's a new way that I can wear it. So welcome to your DIY of how to ruin your clothing. I hope this works. I don't really want to go buy new clothes. Let me take that back. I want to buy new clothes, but I don't want to buy new clothes, you know? So I'm really hoping this works and that I'm not just ruining perfectly fine pieces of clothing that someone else would enjoy. So fingers crossed that this works out. So first on the agenda is this jean jacket. It's just an old jean jacket from American Eagle. It's probably like 4 or 5 years old, but I purposely got it in an extra large when I bought it because I knew that I wanted an oversized jean jacket, but I don't love the color anymore. It's just a really light wash jean jacket, and I kind of like more of the like darker wash jean jackets. Words are hard. So I'm going to try to crop this and see if it kind of looks like a little trendier. And then the other two things that I'm going to be cutting are 2 pairs of jeans that I just no longer wear. I've had these for a few years and I have noticed that I haven't worn them in probably like 2 years because I don't like the way that they sit around my ankles. So I thought that if I could maybe like cut the bottoms of them and give them sort of like that cropped raw hem sort of look, that maybe I would enjoy wearing them again. So let's just give it a go. I think I'm gonna start with my jean jacket. I have no idea. I don't want it to be too cropped because then it'll just look a little silly, but I want it cropped. I probably want it to be about like here. Or is that a regular? Like right here. Yeah. So right above this button, I think is where I'll cut. Hopefully I can cut in a straight line. Okay. I said right above this button. What if these scissors don't cut? Oh my god. There's no going back, like I've cut it. That is the bottom of my jacket. I need to go try this on. This is so cute. Are you serious? And then once I wash it, it'll get a little bit like fringy on the bottoms and it's gonna look so cute. Wait, where's this trendy bitch? Oh, I don't know. Don't know her. Yes! I'm kind of sad there's no more pockets, but like, this looks way cooler. Like if I wore this with like black ripped jeans and like crop top or like a band tee. Like this is success. Success. Okay, I don't know if this is a mistake, but this jacket is actually cute. Like what? I'm gonna try my pants now. I'm feeling a little bit more confident now that my jacket turned out to be so cute. I don't know how it's gonna work with these pants, but let's see. So these jeans just have a regular like skinny fit bottom. These also have a skinny fit bottom, but they have these like weird holes on the back of them. Like, and my foot always gets stuck in here and I don't know why they're like that. So I'm gonna start with these ones first because I think these might be a little bit easier. And yeah, let's see how this works. I probably don't want them too short. Okay, yep, just going for it. All right, I'm gonna do it like this. So I cut the same amount off of each. Sorry, my camera randomly turned off. I don't know why. Here we go though. Ooh.
And ooh.
All right. So I cut these. I'm gonna cut the other ones and then I'll try them both on at the same time and we'll see the final results. Okay, I'm gonna go try these on and we will see the final result. Okay, so I just tried on the pants. They are okay. They're not perfect. They're not exactly what I had envisioned in my head, but I do like them better now than they were before. So I guess that is an improvement. So I think I can actually end up wearing these pants a lot this fall and just pair them with a ton of like oversized sweaters and booties or wedge heels or something else like that because now they're the perfect length. So all in all, I think that this was a success. I obviously love this jean jacket. I can't take it off. I think I'm gonna end up wearing it tonight to hang out with my friends. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please let me know. It would make my entire day. And I will see you guys next week. Bye. Because I'm gonna start posting videos. Hello? Hello? You hear my kitty? You hear cat? I just sound like James Charles.
Like me.
It'd be kind of cool. Sorry, my cat is running around. What are you guys doing? You behave, I'm filming video. Okay, where were we?